Hello guys, it's a fine day today. And we are going to Calgary Zoo. Lisa, are you excited?
Yeah.
What are you going to do in Calgary Zoo?
To see them. Visit my friends.
Visit your friends over there. Like the friends of Donkey Kong and Piggy Kong and your pet dogs, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Punta na tayo. Yun guys, nagkaroon tayo ng pagkakataon ngayon na pumasyal. It's a very fine sunny day. Kitang kita nyo naman. Kaya gagamitin natin ng pagkakataon na ito. Walang pasok yung mag-ina today. Kaya tayo ay mamamasyal.
Daddy, can you just stay on the floor?
Okay.
Because if you stay on the road, some car will bump you.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for reminding, Daddy.
Yeah, I cannot let my scooter go there. And my scooter, the car will bump on my scooter and it will be broken on there.
Okay.
That's why I cannot do that.
Tara, punta na tayo sa sakyan.
Yeah, but
Let's go.
and mommy's still getting married. I got me!
There's a bee. Wanna go to the car with Daddy first? Let's
Yeah.
go. Come on, let's go.
Let's
Ayan.
go.
Tayo nakapark sa kabilang kalsada. Alright, Calgary Zoo is 18 minutes from our place. Ayan. We'll go by Deerfoot. In 18 minutes, we will be there. Okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Big
Did you...
foot.
Deerfoot.
Dear foot.
Did you fasten your seatbelt already?
Yeah.
Yes? Are you excited to go to Calgary Zoo and meet your friends?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Hello guys, we are here at parking lot B. Initially we park at parking lot A doon. Pero parang mas malayo kaya lumapit kami ng konti pero mukhang malayo pa rin. Anyway, this is our first time to go dito sa Calgary Zoo kaya we'll just do a sort of exploration video dahil first time po namin to. Mag-explore tayo sabay-sabay, di ba?
Yes.
Okay. We're walking from the parking lot to the zoo entrance. May know-how agad na bata dito. So you see, winter is over.
Just looking with your
Mga
eyeballs.
tao ay mga naka-short na lang at mga naka-sleeveless na. Kaya nakita niya tayo na lang ang naka-sleeve. Oh, there you go. We bought our tickets online. Kaya pakita na lang natin yung ticket. Oh, magbayad muna tayo ng parking doon. Let's pay for parking fee. Very important yan, guys. So here's the cost of the parking, guys. $13 for 24 hours. Not bad.
You want?
Ooh, nice picture. Going to the entrance.
Mommy.
Pwede kaya yan sa loob.
Yeah. Of course.
Okay, let's ready our ticket. Going inside Calgary Zoo.
I cannot see.
You cannot see it. Remove your sunglass na. Yan. Kailangan remove the sunglass while entering here. Otherwise, di kayo makakita. Okay. Ayan. May mga counter din dito sa loob. Meron din sa labas. That's of course much better kung online kayo bumili ng ticket. wagon. Si Isa ay meron dalang scooter para di kami mahirapang magbuhat. So yun guys, binabalik natin yung scooter ni Isa sa car dahil di siya allowed sa loob. Hindi natin alam, pero okay lang yan, first time natin pumunta dito. Pero sa inyo na nagpaplano pumunta dito, yun, watch out, bawal ang scooter sa mga bata. Okay. Yun, kala ko nakalimutan mo saan kami nag-park. Bye bye scooter. Sorry Isa. Isa go check kung nakalak. So yun guys, nawa ay hindi magpakarga si Isa mamaya pag napagod siya. Pero nagmamature na yung bata, kaya I think this is the first time makikita natin na naglalakad lang ang batang yan. Good. We were scanned. At ang batang kasama natin ay naglalakad ngayon. Tingnan natin kung hanggang kailan to maglalakad. Oh. Yes, spring season pero napakainit ng araw. Kitang kita nyo naman, direct na direct. Kaya yan, it's a bad choice of color for me. Naka black to, mainit ang black. Mas maganda kung naka white kaya. Okay, at the entrance merong gift shop and cafe. Kaya kung kayo ay nauuhaw, gusto muna magkape bago pumasok, pwede naman. Hey, there's a penguin, anak. Where are we going? Umaya na lang dyan? Doon muna tayo.
Gusto ko magrenta ng gano'n.
What?
I'm hungry.
Bili muna tayo ng ice cream dito sa loob. May batang hungry na daw. Explore din tayo dito sa gift shop kung ano yung mga pwede yung bilhin. Mga souvenir items, meron giraffe, meron lion. Yung mga common items like t-shirt. And watch out for the price, $45 t-shirt.
Where should I get a necklace?
Mga books, mga laruan, stuffed toys, hoodies. Magkano kaya ang hoodies dito? Yeah. Let's see. Ganun din, 45. Kung hoodies ka na kaysa t-shirt. Stops. Stops. Guys, yung sombrero ay 69. Kaya kung kayo bibili ng sombrero, sa mga thrift shop na lang siguro. Kasi alam niyo itong suot kong sombrero, $5 lang. Is it nice? Okay, you like it? Can Daddy have one bite?
Put this on my eyes.
Oh, okay. Sure. How can you eat your ice cream if you have sunglasses?
Okay.
Put it later. Let's go. Let's go.
I can sit on the chair.
Okay, let's sit over there, but it's hot. Chair, so we'll sit here first. You sit there at the shadow. Alright, here. Let's wait for Mom here. So, ayun guys, pwede ang wagon, pero ang scooter ay hindi. Kaya, mas mainam na magdala kayo ng wagon kesa scooter. Wow! Thank you, Mommy. What is this, Mommy?
Sa milk tea.
Milk tea, okay.
Taste that.
Tiger milk tea. This one is a taro.
Brown sugar milk tea.
Mm.
This is the first animal that we are visiting, the penguins.
That.
They are swimming, anak.
Penguin?
Yeah. What kind of penguin is this? Baka nagtatanong kayo why these penguins are outside in this kind of weather. Alam niyo kung bakit?
Mama.
Ayan. Ito ang sagot. The species in their care have different temperature preferences, so they may be outside at different times of the year. Yan ang sagot. Dito muna tayo dahil bawal ang pagkain sa loob. Busin lang natin itong ating drinks at ice cream ng batang to. Mami, do you smell something fishy? Yan po kung bakit. Because when you enter the building, you may notice a lot of new smells. Penguins eat fish, so there is a fishy smell in the air inside this building. Right, we're going ready to go inside. Tapos na kumain ng ice cream si Isa, kaya pasok na tayo dito. Let's go, anak. Go. It smells fishy, yes. This is an automatic sliding door. It's still red. Red means stop. Okay. You hear the penguins. There are safety rules here. And there are the penguins. That.
Most of the time, they're not polite.
It's cold in here. Okay, going out. All right.
No, Daddy. Put it
What?
down. It will fall on there.
No, it's okay. Yeah, fall there. I'm holding it.
So concerned.
Yeah. Guys, may nagbigay ng Rode wireless mic sa atin. Kaya tinry natin itong 360 camera for vlogging. You have a decision to make kung saan ang unahin yung puntahan. Gusto niyo bang pumunta sa Prehistoric Park, Discovery Trail, Wild Canada, kanan, diretso, kaliwa, right,
go to the
straight or left?
He likes to go to the prehistoric
Prehistoric Park, all right. But before going here, let's look at the map. Yeah, so here's the map. Okay, merong Pupunta tayo sa prehistoric park. So dito tayo pupunta. Ayan, we are here. So dito muna tayo pupunta. Merong crossing dito, but maybe we'll go back here later and explore the other side. So we'll see. Okay, punta muna tayo sa prehistoric park. Let's go! Nung bata-bata si Isa, medyo takot pa siya sa mga dinosaur. Pero ngayon, she's brave. Yep. Yung mga golf cart dito pero mukhang not operational. Oh,
Okay, tell to daddy what you say.
I'm brave. Before I'm scared of dinosaurs, now I'm brave of dinosaurs.
yeah, you're brave. You're not afraid of dinosaurs anymore.
I'm brave of dinosaurs, not
Yep.
scared of dinosaurs.
Okay. Sarado yung daan doon, kaya dito muna tayo sa daan na ito. Let's see. Makikita natin dito. Oh. Tama-tama ang panahon for this kind of activity ngayon. It's officially spring, kaya hindi na kami naka-jacket. Mas maganda kung naka-short at naka-sleeveless kayo pupunta dito dahil medyo mainit. And make sure to bring your sunglass and cap. Okay, is this the prehistoric park? This is going to west entrance na pala. Dorothy Hebs. Hindi natin na-explore yung prehistoric park ata kasi sarado.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Oh no. So now we're heading to Africa. Destination Africa, Dorothy Harvey Gardens, Exploration Asia. Alright, let's see. Tara, let's go. What? Remember what?
That one on your back.
Oh, this river? This lake? Is this? It's a river. Or maybe it's a lake. Okay, nice. Tara, we're here for the animals. Magandang gamitin sana yung 360 camera, kaya lang medyo mabigat. Wide angle, so I think we will switch back to using our GoPro at gagamitin na lamang natin ito maya-maya kapag sa mga area na kailangan ng 360 angle. Saan tayo pupunta? Discovery Trail?
Let's go to West Entrance.
West Entrance Exploration Asia. Okay. Forest Center.
Who's watching Byron?
My feet is tired, I said.
What?
My feet is tired.
Your feet is tired? So what are you going to do? Well, let's walk over there and just sit
see.
and talk about how tired you are. So ayun, pabalik tayo ng gift shop para magrenta ng wagon dahil yung ating scooter na dinala ay bawal dito sa loob. Kaya ayun, yung trabaho ng mga daddy guys. Balik-balik, hopefully may natira pang wagon doon dahil kung wala ay bibit-bitin natin yung bata. So guys, this wagon costs $10 for the whole day and you can rent it just beside the gift shop. Nandun yung wagon rental center. Go grab one kung meron po kayong dalang bata. So guys, hinahanap natin kung nasaan yung mag-ina. Sabi nila kanina nasa bench lang daw sila. Ayun, nakita natin. Let's go to them nang makasakay na sa wagon tong batang to. So guys, malilim naman dito sa lugar, kaya may mga stops kayo na pwedeng hintuan to take a rest. Tanda, may mga dalang tanda o bata. Kaya may cafe din dito sa loob. Good. Okay, where's your wagon? Are you happy?
That
There's no seat belt. You don't need a seat belt. Okay. You can stretch your legs. Yeah, like that. Okay. Let's go.
Put it in the backpack, Mommy.
Where do you want to go? Right, left, straight.
Want to rest and mommy will
Okay.
go around.
Huh?
Don't push me. I want Mommy. Mommy, push me.
You want mommy to pull you?
Yeah. Mommy, pull me.
Okay. Mommy pulls Isa. Bye. So guys, yung prehistoric area pala ay sarado, no? Nakita natin yung notice kanina. Bubukas lang siya on special occasions. Like ang sabi nung kanina, bubukas na sila for the May long weekend. I don't know when is that coming, but ayun. Ito mayroong llama. May llama dito. Ito ay mayroong pink na, what is this? Flamingo. Is that a llama? Is that?
Blue eyes slash.
Oh, it's an alpaca. It's not a llama, it's an alpaca. Anyway, wala sa Pinas niyan, kaya di natin sila kilala. Yeah. Isa is more interested in seeing the pink flamingo. Hi. There we are. Rana.
No, careful.
What are they doing? Are they resting?
Yeah.
Oh.
And another one's sitting and another one's standing.
One's sitting, one's standing. What are they talking about?
I said there's someone looking at them.
Who's the father and who's the mother?
Want to take a photo with them?
Okay, go. Stand up and take a photo with them. Come on, go. Okay, lipat na kami ng lugar. But this is the Dorothy Harvey Gardens. Papasok tayo dyan mamaya. Dito muna tayo. Ayun. Mas masarap mag-explore sa mga outdoor na areas. So guys, matagal din tayong hindi nakapag-vlog, ano? And main reason is gusto nating mag-concentrate sa pag-aaral. Yan, as you know, nag-aaral tayo ng software development and we're transitioning actually from being an electronics engineer to software engineer, something like that. At salamat sa wisdom na binigay ng Lord, finally tapos na ang ating pag-aaral. I will be graduating June 18. Ayan. And if I have a chance, mapakita ko yung grades na ibinigay ng Lord sa atin. Kaya watch out for that. Surprise po yan. Pero maganda naman po ang kinalabasan ng ating mga grades. Salamat sa wisdom na ibinigay ng Lord sa atin. And if you'll be asking us, kasi isang taon mahigit na, no? Meron ba kaming mga bagay na namimiss sa Singapore? Definitely, napakarami, ano? Siguro magbabanggit tayo ng ilang mga bagay. And unang-una na dyan yung pagkain. Ayan. Yung mga hawker centers sa Singapore ay sobrang nakakamiss po dahil napaka-convenient. Every block halos merong hawker centers, right? So dito ay makakain ka lang sa mga mall or sa mga restaurants. You have to drive. Hindi ko kasing lapit sa inyong mga bahay. Kaya di rin ka ganun ka diverse ang set ng pagkain sa mga lugar na pupuntahan nyo. So you have to do research kung saan nyo gusto kumain. What is that? Whoa, are they camels? It's not a camel. It looks...
Camel.
They look fatter than camels.
Camel, wake up!
It's not a camel.
It's a camel.
It's a camel? Where's the
There.
sign? Oh, there.
Sign there.
Oh.
Camel, wake up!
First time natin makakita ng camel. Ang haba ng buhok nila, no? Kailangan nila ng barbero.
Stand up, please.
Haba lang kanilang buhok.
Hi!
Hi.
Hi, camel!
Hi, camel.
Oh, camel nga siya kasi meron ditong camel canteen. Ayan. Laki ng cage ng camel, ano? We're going to Petronas, Gateway to Asia. May makikita natin dito. Ayan, meron mga tiger, monkey, ayan, mga kamag-anak ni Sister Rita. Kamag-anak mo, mami, nandito. So, ayan. Maganda. What do we have here? Oh. Sleep in the sun. The alligator sleeping in the sun. You wanna look at the alligator? Ah, the crocodile. There? Is it an alligator or not? What is it?
There!
There. Do you see it?
No.
There? There's here. There. You see it now? Over there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stop it.
You're afraid? Oh, yeah. Mas gusto niyang umupo sa wagon. Do not climb on the red bamboo. Mami, huwag kang akit yan, ha? Baka. Ayan, nandito yun. What we have here. Malayan tapirs and some purna para about we also have the white-handed gibbon.
It's a gibbon.
Hindi.
No?
Purna natin purna.
What's that?
That's a monkey.
Tapirs. Ah, tapirs.
We found her
Monkey
sibling.
friend.
Tapirs.
The monkey friend.
Tapirs or
There.
tapirs?
Oh.
Or appear. Ayun. Ayun na yung kaibigan mo, anak. There, gibbons.
So,
White-handed gibbons.
good of it.
Yeah, there.
Yeah.
Monkeys, good of it, mommy.
Yeah.
Talk to them.
They're cheerful.
Oh, I thought you had another monkey. You're monkey.
Yeah.
Hi, monkey.
Ay, nagpapasiklab sila, oh. Kabitin. Yan, exit na tayo. Mind our ramps. It's nice to catch up with our friends and families over there. Ayan, Malayan tapir.
That's Malayan tapir.
Is it tapir or tapir? Maybe it's tapir.
Tapir.
Alam mo yung ginagamit na mga gamit ng tapir?
Ano?
Mga tapirware. Ayun. Wala. Malayan tapir is missing. It's missing in action. Where are you, Malayan tapir? Tapir? Eh. Wala na. Mukhang balikan na after here. Ano meron dito? Wala lang. Shaded area. Okay. Kung pwede rin yung resting area. Wala na. You wanna see it? No. Okay. Fine. So we're heading back. Dahil nasa dead end na tayo. We're heading back. Oh, it's the other side. Ah.
There is nothing.
exit this way. Yeah, you can definitely exit this way because there is a sign. It says exit this way. Of course, every exit merong tindahan, gift shop. Hindi natin nakita yung tiger tsaka yung tapir pala nakita natin kasama ng mga unggoy. Okay, heading this way. Grabe guys, pupunta muna tayo dito sa lilim dahil habang nagbablog tayo kanina namatay yung camera. Sobrang init ano, kaya pinotektahan ng GoPro yung kanyang sarili, kaya nag-shutdown siya kanina. But ayan, pinunta natin yung battery, napakainit, and now we are here resting muna sa may shaded area para kumalma ng konti ang ating camera. Andun sila Rain and Isa naglalaro sa playground malapit dito sa Tiger's Den classroom. There. Ayun, so guys, pinag-usapan natin kanina yung convenience na bili ng mga ready na pagkain sa baba ng yung Black Singapore. So here in Canada, prepare yourself talaga to cook. Yan. Madalas kahit sa school, kahit sa trabaho, yung mga tao ay may dalang mga baon. So ganun po ang setup dito. Kaya kung minsan-minsan mamimiss mo yung mga pagkain sa hawker centers like mga banyen, mga Hokkien Mee, mga bihon, di ba? Yung mga common na food, mga laksa. Ayan ako. Kaya tiis-tiis muna, hindi pa tayo makatravel back to Singapore. So we're here at the kids zone playground and the kid is playing. So ayun, napakaraming mga under repairs. Sarado ang ilang mga attractions. Pero anyway, kano ang bayad natin dito? Adult?
Tayo 90.
Lahat yun, 3 packs. 2 adult, isang kid. 90 lahat. Kayo na po ang mag-judge if it is worth it. So they have a Turkmenian mac horse. Oh yeah, never mind. Somebody will pick it up. Kaya lang nakatago siya, guys. Kanina nakita natin lumabas at kaya nyo akyatin yung mga bato-bato na yan. Ay, anin pa siya sa gilid. Ayun. Nandun sila. Ayan, may dalawang nasa gilid. Hindi natin kung may clear area dito. Kita nyo. There. There. Yan. Nandiyan sila. Papahinga sila sa lilim. Over here. Ano bang meron dito?
Pero ano ko?
Hindi na tayo sa Zoo Westgate.
Pero,
Ayun.
did you see that?
Nandun yung tiger.
The tiger?
Nandun yung tiger. Papahinga din sa lilim. Kita nyo naman guys yung mga hayop nagpapahinga sa lilim. Ano tayo pa kaya?
Stop helping me.
Mainit talaga.
Isa said, Daddy.
Oh.
Daddy, what?
What?
Isa.
Tiger friend check.
What?
Tiger friend check.
Tiger friend? Check. Ay, may checklist si Isa eh. So na-checklist niya na yung tiger.
Monkey friend check.
Check.
Isa, your monkey friend check. So you're looking now for giraffe.
Yeah. She got right upset.
Dito. Ayan, may mga benches dito pwedeng upuan. Looks like siguro may show silang nakaset up dito dati, pero ngayon wala na dahil hindi na nila maintain. It's the Amur tiger. Where do they live? In Russia. Masyadong malayo guys, di ko maipakita sa inyo. Wild boar. Nakatago rin ang wild boar.
Is it like not available?
Hindi na alam kung nakatago or itinago. Dahil wala. Baka sa sobrang wild ay nakawala. Palace cat. Palace cat. Wala rin ano. Mga nakawala na or pinakawalan.
We see cats.
Guys, even yung staff ano na may nakakulay blue, di rin niya alam kung nasaan yung mga animals. So, looks like talaga nagtatago sila sa lilim. Oh, yun pala. Ito yung wild boar. Ito yung wild boar, oh. There's the wild boar, guys. Yan. Kakulay kasi nila yung ground. Kaya ano, di natin halata kanina. Ayan. There's the wild boar. We did not see it because it's the same color as the ground.
See?
You see the wild boar? There. Oh, now it's moving. There it goes.
I saw another one.
So, tama nga, nandun nga sila sa lilim kanina. Tsaka di gumagalaw. Di natin nakita. The Brown Family Foundation. There's big dinosaur here. Guys, meron sila ditong parang assembly area. Ayun o, covered. Pwedeng maggawa sa gawa ng mga events siguro yan. Yeah, pwede kayong pakasal or something.
You want to sit down?
Dito,
And take a
garden. Pero mainit na, no? Pero syempre, indoor ang ceremony. Where are we going?
There?
Kanina naman. Doon tayo pag ganun. Okay, let's go. Respect the wild birds. Nakalagay dyan. Please give them their space. Do not touch the birds. Do not feed the birds. Ayan, isa lang naman so far nakikita nating bird. Upo muna tayo din eh. Very sleepy. Don't sleep. We're in the zoo. We're supposed to be enjoying the animals.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, mami. Namimiss mo sa Singapore?
Zoo.
Zoo?
Joke lang.
Meron pa tayong isang video sa Singapore Zoo, hindi natin nagawa. Baka after nito gawin natin. Anyways, kanina nabanggit natin yung mga pagkain sa Hawker Center. Siguro pangalawang mamimiss mo sa Singapore kapag nandito ka na sa Canada is the convenience and efficiency of their public transport. Ayan. Kasi dito sa Canada, kailangan meron kang sasakyan para marating mo yung mga lugar, ano, na gusto mong, lahat ng lugar na gusto mong puntahan. Of course, meron din silang train at meron din silang mga buses, pero hindi ganoon kalawak yung coverage, you know. At during winters, nagkakaroon minsan ng mga delay yung kanilang mga bus, which is understandable naman. Kaya ayun, yun isang bagay naman yung sa Singapore, kasi kahit wala kang sasakyan doon, okay lang. Pero dito sa Canada, mas mainam na meron kang sariling sasakyan talaga para mapuntahan mo yung mga lahat ng gusto mong mapuntahan. Yan. Agree?
Agree.
Kanina nabanggit ko yung pagkain, yung hawker center. Pangalawa, yung kanilang public transport. Pangatlo,
Yung kanilang supermarket.
ayun, not only supermarket but the wet market specifically.
That's right.
Ayan. Kasi dito sa Canada, kung meron man siguro ay napaka madalang yung mga wet market. Halos wala pa nga pa tayong napupuntahang
I
wet
miss
market.
crabs. I miss chili crab and salted egg
Yeah.
chili crab and salted egg chicken.
So dati sa Singapore, naka-order tayo ng crab through Facebook Marketplace. And sometimes dun sa mga, most of the time actually, sa mga wet market, kapag pupunta ka ng medyo alanganing oras na papasara na sila, sa mga alas 3 ng hapon, ganyan, minsan alas 2 ng hapon, papasara na yung mga wet market. Aba, makakapakyaw ka ng mga seafoods doon, like shrimp or crab. Yung mga bagay na mamimiss mo. Dito meron namang mga crabs, may mga tahong sa supermarket. Pero
That's
syempre,
so fresh.
hindi ganun ka-fresh at hindi rin
Affordable.
ganun ka-affordable. Ayan. So, yun, mamimiss mo rin ang mga wet markets sa Singapore.
But we like the weather here in Canada.
Pag dahil sa weather, kakalimutan mo naman lahat.
Because in Canada, you can still eat those Asian foods. That's one of the perks too. We can still eat the Asian foods like the Filipino foods. There's the
Meron
Korean
din naman.
food, the ramens, the sushi.
Kung may nakain man tayo na sa Singapore na wala dito sa Canada, yun, chili crab, yung mga ganon,
that's
yung
right.
mga
The salted egg.
laksa, yung mga, siguro merong laksa sa seafood market. I'm not sure, hindi ko tayo nakapunta.
That's right.
Pero
Okay, let's go.
madalang.
Go!
Have NMAX Conservatory, NMAX Conservatory. That way. Pero walang daan dito sa likod. Punta tayo sa harap para makapasok tayo dyan. Wow, hero na lang tayo. Lumin. Pasok tayo dyan sa loob. NMAX Garden Way. Lamig dyan sa loob. It's like going to the... There are butterflies inside. You want to see butterflies, right? Yeah, it's the NMAX Conservatory. You want to see butterflies, right? Okay, yeah, we'll go inside. Glasses off. Explorer, merong mga 3D shows, virtual reality shows. Huh? Oh, yan ba? Is that the entrance? Or here?
And walk.
Yeah, you have to walk on it. Come on. What do we have here? Oo. Oh, mainit din. Hindi siya ganoon pala malamig dito. At medyo maliit lang din.
That is how the butterfly grow, anak.
Wala ba? Please do not feed the butterfly. Pero wala tayong makitang butterfly. Butterfly garden daw to pero walang butterfly. Tago din.
Yeah, we got a long walk back to the entrance. Tissue paper.
Do not touch the butterfly daw. Pero wala namang butterfly.
There's not many flying around, and there's to hopefully lay some eggs and have some babies, and then
They live only 2 weeks. Yes.
Ano daw? Asan daw mga butterfly?
Ayan, ayan. There, the
Oh, there's a
butterfly.
It's one butterfly garden.
The butterfly is dead or
Exit na tayo. Yeah, we're going to the Garden of Life. Look at that. Trunk of tree. Oh no, it's man-made. Okay, let's just go around this way. But
This is the garden.
ayaw ni Isa. Hindi pang wala rin man tayong makikita dito. Ni Isa. So, ito lang naman yung NMAX. Mayroong butterfly house. Nandito yung garden, hindi natin pinuntaan. Nandito tayo ngayon. So, I think hindi naman natin, wala naman tayo masyadong malis. Diretso. Ayan.
Safari.
Yeah, we're going to the Kinsman Zoo Venture Playground Safari Lodge. Pero yung batang kasama namin mukhang gusto nang matulog. Pero pag nakita niya marahil yung playground dito, magiging aktibo na naman yan. Ay, pila dito sa ice cream. Okay. Ito yung playground. Mas malaki-laki yung playground na to. Dito. Let's go.
they're fighting.
Let's go to African rainforest. It's African rainforest. Unit dito sa loob. Oh. Oosh. That's a lot of fish. Mountain bongo. Found inside the one. Rainforest. Start picture. Oh.
Another big one. You do want them in the rainforest?
What do you smell? Wala kasi po kami kaya di makaiamoy. Real farm tortoise. How many sounds can you hear? It's a small crocodile. Depending on the weather, the animals can be indoor or outdoor. It's a colobus monkey, you know. Eastern black and white colobus monkey.
Let me go. Go. I said go.
She just came from a parlor. May highlight ang kanyang hair.
One on the same side.
High five. High five. Okay. Birds. A lot of birds here. There's one bird. There's one bird. Oh. Bili tayo dito sa Safari Lounge. Look, there's hippopotamus mouth. Yeah, here's the land of lemurs. Land of lemurs. Lemurs are monkeys with long tails. You see that? This one's river hug. River hug.
What's that again?
Hug.
Hug.
Yeah.
A friend?
River hug. It's a friend of Piggy Kong. Yeah.
Oi!
Laro siya.
Is it a friend of Piggy Kong?
Yeah, it's a friend of Piggy Kong. Dumi na. Gusgusin na yung batang ko. no watchings beyond this tunnel. So we'll see lemur, ostrich, lion, zebra. But first, there are giraffes here and hippopotamus. Punta namin sa tunnel. Sabi na sa labas, there's no washroom beyond this point. Tis mo na.
Oh, have a photo with the giraffe first, please.
Nandun yung mga zebra just opposite the giraffe. Ayan, may tatlong giraffe dito. Oh. Giraffe check?
Yeah.
Alright, zebra check?
Mommy.
Oh, what's that? It's Patrick. That's Robin. Is the chipmunk? Is it chipmunk?
That's chip a fish.
Okay, let's go here to the... Want to see the lion now? The lion is sleeping. The lion is sleeping.
They're sleeping.
Yeah, they're sleeping.
Zebra. Check.
There's the zebra.
Mommy, you give me now.
Dapat pala lahat ng
There's the lion. Tiger and the lion. We're here.
Where are they?
They're sleeping. There. Can you see them?
Lion friend.
Yeah. Do you see them?
They're sleeping.
Lion and tiger, check. I haven't seen it. Check it. Check. Lion, check.
Lion friend check.
Okay. Lion and tiger, check. Let's go to the lemur. Yeah, let's go to the lemurs. Please store all items away. Oh. Ayaw, baka nandurukot sila ng mga items. Kaya, better watch out. Better not pout. Oh, no.
It's prohibited.
The monkey might take it away from you. All electronic devices. Land of lemurs. It's closed for the season. Daming sarado, ano? Where are they?
Come this way, buddy. Come on. This way.
There.
You inside.
It's there. Lemur. Check.
Check.
Okay.
What's that?
Oh. Sounds like they're fighting. Ayaw ko.
Check.
Here's a closer look.
Want to stand up and see them clearly?
Ready to dance.
Oh, there. Yes, looking at you. You want to sit here? Do you want to sit here?
No.
No, okay. What is this? Living alongside wildlife?
No.
No. Okay, we're heading to the exit. There's downtown, guys. yung mga building. Medyo malapit din pala ang zoo sa downtown.
I want to eat my bread. I want to eat something else.
Pagod din. Are you tired?
Yeah.
Really? Are you tired of sitting?
I'm not tired.
Okay. Yeah? Can we go home?
Not yet. I'm still hungry.
Still hungry? You
Still,
wanna eat the animals?
no.
Okay. Alas nalibot na ata natin lahat. Pati pa tayo makauwi dahil merong isang batang nagugutom. She's hungry. Can we go? No? What do you wanna do?
I want to eat.
Okay. Try natin dito sa Kitamba Cafe. Kitamba. Oh, na Kitamba. Kitamba. This is the Kitamba Cafe entrance. Can order there, pero wala lang tao. Sarado na, ma'am. You want some food, right? How's mommy paying over there? What's your experience about Calgary Zoo? Can you share them your experience?
Yeah.
Okay.
Calgary Zoo is nice.
Oh, what did you see inside?
So many animals.
Like
Good.
what animals?
Good animals.
Oh, like zebra and
Giraffe.
giraffe.
Gorilla.
Okay.
Monkey.
Monkey. Okay. The monkey will not eat.
Banana.
Okay. Okay. Burger, fries, and what's that? Fish?
It's a
Chicken
chicken.
nugget.
Okay.
And pasta and
And yogurt. And how much
pasta
is this? 30. Okay, not bad. $30 for all of this. Okay guys, we're heading home. Heading to return this car, this wagon now. Kanina pinag-uusapan natin yung mga bagay na na-miss natin sa Singapore, no? Siguro lastly is yung convenience ng shopping online. Dahil sa Singapore ay maraming mga platform like Lazada and Shopee at kung ano-ano pa, no? Pwede rin kayong mag-Redmart for groceries or NTUC Fair Price at free delivery ang karamihan. So here in Canada, yes, may Amazon, you can subscribe at free naman delivery. Pero natin mga items ay hindi rin ganoon kamura lahat. Kung gusto mo na mas mura, order ka sa Temu. Pero sa Temu ay mas matagal ang delivery, mga 1 to 2 weeks. So pwede ka rin maghintay, but very limited ang options na si Rain ay minsan nagsi-Shein for mga damit, mga ganyan, but nothing beats yung convenience ng e-commerce at pag-shopping online sa Singapore. So nakakamiss yung paglalasada, sa Shopee. Ayan. So ito na naman yung bridge daanan natin kanina. So papalik na tayo sa malapit sa entrance. Isoli na natin tong wagon ni Isa. So ngayon guys, nawa ay gustuhan niya yung tour, hindi pala tour, exploration na ginawa natin dito sa Calgary Zoo. Kasi hindi may ikukumpara yung zoo ng Singapore, iba pa rin yan. Bawat lugar naman syempre may kanya-kanyang pros and cons. Kaya since nandito tayo, we just leave the best out of this country. Yeah. Hey, hi. Ayos. Kapako rin maghila ng wagon. Ayun, malapit-lapit na tayo. Konti na lang. Hindi na tayo. Hindi tayo banda. Guys, hanggang alas 5 lang dito. Kaya we're heading to the exit na. At although kala mo alas 3 or alas 2 pa lang, alas 5 na po. Dahil ngayon ay late na ang lumubog ang araw. Guys, di na namin napuntahan Wild Canada. Wala ng oras. Hindi na tayo. Penguin Plunge. So dito lang sa tabi ng gift shop ang wagon rental. Sorry, natin yung wagon. Hey, we'll return the wagon. Need to go down. We'll return it here. They say thank you, huh? Okay?
Thank you.
She did not hear you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright, thank you. Okay, we're exiting Calgary Zoo. If you want to go to the blue line, dito yung laan. Pero doon tayo sa parking. Exit to the parking.
Calgary Zoo.
Check.
Woohoo!